What's going on, everybody, and welcome to FxView review. They are a new broker in the market, and so they are less than 2 months old in the market, and so we want to review this broker to see if we can do business with them. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is security. To begin, roll the intro. So to find this out, we'll go down to the section where they talk about their security, and prior to this video I have done my background check on them, and I came to find out that they are financially regulated by 6 different financial securities from all over the world. They are regulated in Cyprus, in the United Kingdom, in France, in Spain, in Germany, in Italy, and in Norway. Okay, so that's about 6 to 7 financial regulatory authorities that they are registered with. Okay, all these monitoring this new company, this new broker rather, FxView. And FxView is owned by Charlgate Ltd. Okay, and they have offices in Cyprus, in all these countries we just stated. Okay, they have offices right there, so we can be sure that our money is safe with them. But one thing to know is that if you are from the United States, I'm sorry, you cannot do business with FxView. Okay, they do not allow clients of traders from USA, Iran, and North Korea. Okay, so if you're from these countries, you can trade with them. Okay, you can choose any other broker. So we're done with security. They're financially secured. Okay, I mean, they are regulated. Okay, so we trust them. And then the next thing I want to talk about is spreads. How expensive is it to trade with FxView? Now, from previous analysis as well, okay, I found out that they are very, very cheap. They offer between 0.0 pips to a pipette for spread, cost of spread. Okay, so let's look at GU, for instance. Okay, GU or GJ or AU, let's just say AU for instance. Okay, the spread is just 0.001. okay, let's view all spreads. So here it is. For EU, 9 pp 0, EJ 0. Okay, they don't even charge you. And for EG is 0.00153, so that's like 53 pp. Okay, and so it's really cheap, really cheap. And if you have a long swap, it's like -61, and if you have a short swap, is -1.7. okay, either way. So and that's also very cheap. That's very cheap as well. So and lot sizes you can trade, here they are. Minimum trade and value per pip, $1 US, UJ, EJ is 100 JPY, value per pip. And so from the spreads, their spreads are actually very cheap, so you can be confident that you are not being extorted, okay, from broker spread. What we are actually concerned about, especially when trading with brokers, is the spread, and since we know the spreads are very cheap, we're good. Next thing we want to talk about is the trading platform. So what trading platform do they use? And they have the MT4 and the MT5, and this is also very important. MT4 and MT5, that's very good. And they also have a trading calculator where you can use to calculate your trades, lot sizes, cost, percentages, and all that. And what else? You can also become their affiliate anyway. Since they're coming up, since they are new, you can affiliate for them. And they also have economic calendar, market trading hours, and holidays. Economic calendar is very important to know the news that is coming up if you want to trade with them. Something that is very important as well is leverage. So let's go check their leverage system and the ratios and all that. So they have a very good leverage system as well. Okay, from 1 point ratio 30 to 1 point ratio 500, and that's very awesome. That's awesome. So 1 point ratio 30, you can use that if you have lots of money like 5k, 10k. You can use between 1 point ratio 30, 50, 100. And if you have less than let's say like 20 bucks or 100k or $100, right? You can use like 1 ratio 500 to let you take more trades. Okay, so when it comes to the leverage, they are also very good. They provide good leverage. Okay, and you can trade gold, silver, and other precious metals, like right, with them as well. So one more thing is their support service, customer support. I think their customer support is great. Not that I know. Yesterday I talked with them, I sat up with them to ask questions, and there was somebody right there. I mean, it didn't even look like sit and wait for somebody to talk to you. No, it just came up. I mean, it's not a bot. It was a real person. Okay, and so yeah, it was awesome. And one more thing we should need to think about or check is the financial, I mean, deposit and withdrawal model. Okay, so they have all this deposit and withdrawal model. You can do bank transfer, you can deposit with Visa or Mastercard, Skrill, Netala, Rappi, and all these other ones. And this is the minimum and maximum amount you can deposit. I mean, minimum for bank transfer is 100 euros, Visa and Mastercard is 100 euros as well, and Skrill, Netala, you can use 10, you can deposit 10 euros and 5 euros for all this. But the only thing I have problem with them, where I think I do not like, is this: how can I deposit 5 bucks with all this payment system, and I can't do that with Visa and Mastercard? Why not? I mean, you should be able to let me trade. I mean, if I put 20 bucks right here with my Mastercard, it should go through. Okay, let's say 20 euros, and we should be able to go through, right? So I think the 100 euros is not very considerate when you're making deposit with Visa or Mastercard, but it's also good if you want to open an account with that. Above 100 euros, that's good, and 1k, that's good. Know how to use your leverage, know how to trade, and you're good to go. So in a nutshell, I think FxView is great. One more thing I haven't talked about is the kind of broker they are. FxView is an electronic communications network broker, and you know what that means. When you do business with electronic communications network brokers, you have the best deals, right? You have the best deals. Like they put your trades right into the liquidity pool, and ECN brokers, they get their prices directly from interbank rates, and banks are the biggest players in the FX market, like we discussed about before now. So they get their prices right from the banks directly, okay, not through another a broker or another liquidity provider. Theirs is direct, and that's why they are an electronic communications network provider. So an ECN broker is one we said you should trade with, an ECN or STP. So since they are ECN, they are better than STP, okay, because an STP takes their prices from a liquidity provider, but ECN directly from interbank rates, okay, and so that's awesome. So I think traders, you can definitely go with FxView. They are new, they are good, they have good spreads, they are regulated by over 6 financial regulatory bodies all over the world, and so you don't have nothing to worry about with FxView. So with that, if you like this video, you can smash the like button, subscribe, and until next time, take care.